to the vertiginous development of the information society, citizens set their consumption priorities in an increasingly fast, demanding and selective manner, especially in the food sector. Aware of this new consumption stage, Rijk Zwaan supports its activity in a solid knowledge on its products and the investigation of the possibilities opened in front of it to develop a permanent innovation that meets the demanding challenges posed by the current consumption society. With this goal, the TDC trial demo centers of La Palma and El Ejido have been implemented, whose first purpose is the testing of new varieties in order to characterize them in an agronomical and commercial way before being introduced in the market. The TDC are also an experimental platform with high value for the sector. The TDC La Palma near Cartagena, Murcia has outdoor facilities which enable growing all year round in Mediterranean climate conditions of varieties and crops with very different crop management and growing periods. In addition, it also has greenhouses for hydroponic cultivation of all types of flat crops that enable performance tests and costs of cultivation, studies of agronomic improvements of new tools and systems for the grower, experimentation with innovative cultivation techniques, and generation of technical knowledge in order to be pioneers of innovation in the sector facing producers. The TDC El Ejido has a surface area of 3 hectares of protected crops with different levels of technology applied for the development of those crops: traditional, advanced traditional, intermediate and high technology. In this way, correlation studies can be made under different greenhouse structures and growing conditions, and we apply all the techniques that nowadays enable us to make readings and exercise actions on climate and cultivation control focused on obtaining the maximum potential of the phenotypic expression of the genome of one variety. The Rijk Zwaan TDC are also business and experience centers. Both the TDC of El Ejido and the TDC of La Palma have the ideal conditions to celebrate business meetings with all the players of the agri-food chain, from growers to supermarkets, who estimate and appreciate the opportunity of touching, tasting and feeling that they are in the epicenter of the production. The activity goes together with the use of Partner RZ, a set of mobile apps that enables the visitor to know in real time all the relevant information of each variety. The TDC are also the best place for tastings, showrooms, presentations of packaging and new formats. Furthermore, the TDC are training centers that take part of the RZ Academy Creation project aimed at providing practical technical training to current and future colleagues, both from RZ Iberica and other subsidiaries. In the TDC, we receive visitors, collaborate in complex research projects with different institutions, and put at their disposal the most advanced experimental centers and the most qualified staff in order to develop projects that thoroughly analyze all the factors to ensure the success of an idea or product before its introduction into the commercial channel. Do you want us to develop your idea in a pilot project? Do you want to contrast your results with ours? Do you dare to innovate knowing the factors of risk and success? Welcome to the TDC.